Go.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the live debating session being organized at Speech Academy Asia Parkway Center. We are looking forward to an exciting and enriching debate among children in the age group of 6 to 8 years. The motion of today's debate is, this House believes that children should have longer school holidays. To debate on this topic, we have team proposition that shall speak for the motion and team opposition that shall speak against the motion. Without further ado, let's invite the opening speaker from team proposition, Ashwin.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ashwin and I am the first speaker for the proposition team. The long break is an excellent opportunity to catch up with loved ones through trips, outings or informal get-togethers. Strong relationships that students can develop and maintain can benefit their mental health and general well-being. Spending time with loved ones can provide comfort and support during times of stress and difficulty. School holidays are not just a time to relax, it's a learning opportunity. Interaction with family and friends can broaden students' perspectives. For instance, they might discover history, customs, and cultural practices of their family, or participate in activities they might have not had the chance to do during the academic year. School holidays offer students the chance to reconnect with their family and friends, creating memories that strengthen their bonds. Why are school holidays for students? It allows them to recharge and refocus, giving them a much needed respite from the demands of the academic year. School holidays offer a refreshing change from the routine and benefits go beyond relaxation, contributing to emotional and social growth. During the school holidays, students can learn essential life skills such as cooking, cleaning, and managing money, and organizing time. This can help them become more independent and prepare for the future. School holidays provide a perfect opportunity for students to focus on practical skills that will serve them well in adulthood. Why are school holidays good for students? It allows them to explore new responsibilities and interests outside of the classroom. School holidays extend beyond relaxation, offering valuable learning experiences that can shape a student's future. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Michael, and I am the first speaker of the opposition team. The proposition's first speaker mentioned about the learning life skills during the holidays. However, what use are life skills when a student's mandatory learning journey is delayed thanks to the extended school holidays? He also stated that the school holidays gave a way to bond with family and friends. Can public holidays be used for such purpose? If a student is struggling at school, such a bonding sessions can become a nightmare for him or her. School holidays are a nightmare for parents, writes Chapman at the iNews site, arguing for shorter, more frequent set breaks across the year, or even having school offering all year round. The impending school holidays are an intricate task, demanding hours of planning for parents such as Susan Schreiter at the BBC, trying to find a childcare and enterprisement for a long stretch of holidays, increasing costs, meaning that many parents have to make some starker choices in terms of their careers, with many choosing to take a big salary drop as a compromise of flexibility.
Thank you, Michael, for such insightful opinion. It's time for the second round of speakers. From Team Proposition, Janice will now speak for the motion.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Janice and I am the second speaker of the proposition team, supporting the need for longer school holidays. The opposition's first speaker stated that parents face pressure thanks to school holidays. I would say that with the best options to cater to children, there are minimal or literally no such pressure. With proper financial planning, parents could provide for children in the best way possible. School holidays are a great time for travel, allowing families to embark on longer journeys and explore new places. Traveling offers a unique opportunity for transformative experiences and learning. It expands one's perspective and contributes to a deeper understanding of the world by exposing individuals to different cultures, languages, and ways of life. Furthermore, it presents opportunities to develop independence, self-confidence, and social skills while also facilitating the formation of new friendships. In addition, school holidays are a perfect opportunity to take a step back from the routine of school and enjoy these enriching experiences. The benefits of vacation go beyond relaxation, helping students grow in ways that extend beyond the classroom. School holidays provide a well-deserved pause, allowing students to rejuvenate and return to school refreshed while also fostering personal development. Why are school holidays good for students? It offers a chance to recharge, explore new passions, and build lasting memories. During school holidays, students can explore personal interests that they might have needed more time for during the academic year. This can help students discover new passions and potential career paths. Pursuing personal hobbies during school holidays can have many advantages. Why are school holidays good for students? It can support their growth regarding information and abilities, self-assurance, and creativity. These benefits of school holidays extend beyond academics, allowing students to recharge and return to school feeling more inspired and motivated for the upcoming year. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ishan, and I am the second speaker from Team Opposition. The proposition second speaker said that school holidays provide travel opportunities for children. Weekends and public holidays provide travel opportunities for children as well. There is no need for lengthening relaxation to overtake important education. Another point stated was to go ahead with personal interests first. Again, let me say this. Weekends and public holidays provide chances to pursue personal interests and there is no reason to support having school holidays. The increasing cost of childcare activities during the holiday means disadvantaged families are often left worse off. There has been a decline in the availability and sufficiency of holiday childcare, while the cost of accessing physical activity spaces is preventing some children from doing more physical activities. Thank you.
Thank you, Ishan. Very well done. It's time now for the third round of speakers. Let's welcome Amrik from Team Proposition.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Emily, and I am the third speaker for the proposition team. The opposition's second speaker spoke about rising childcare costs, taking Singapore into context. Heavily subsidized, thus affordable childcare and student care options are available. Furthermore, these options are also part of the physical school grounds or in close proximity to schools. With such leniency, families can still take affordable vacations during school holidays. School holidays bring respite and the chance to rejuvenate. Students juggle academic responsibilities, extracurricular activities, and social expectations, which often leads to high levels of stress and pressure during the year. School holidays offer a unique opportunity for students to refresh their bodies and minds. During this time, they can devote themselves to activities they truly enjoy, which may help improve their academic performance in the upcoming year. School holidays are not just about relaxation. It's time for students to de-stress, pursue personal interests, and explore hobbies that might not fit into their academic schedule. These benefits of school holidays provide them with a sense of freedom and a break from routine, reinforcing a healthy balance between work and leisure. This approach makes school holidays an essential period for student well-being and growth. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Esther, and I am the third speaker for the opposition team. The proposition's third speaker mentioned that school holidays gave time for students to recharge. If we are mindful of the importance of recharging, we will make use of the shortest time possible with every means of way to recharge. How does it make sense for students to experience intense burnout while looking forward to school holidays to recharge? Since we are operating on a daily basis, our recharge needs to be daily too, so as to prevent a burnout. School holidays affects learning, and pupils can lose up to 40% of their knowledge they have gained over the school year on school holidays. A 2020 study showed reversing some of the progress students have made over the year set forms. According to another research, students can lose up to 2 months worth of math and reading abilities over the school holidays. This can make it more difficult for students to return to school and can reduce their future academic, widening the achievement gap for them. Thank you.
Thank you, Esther. With this, we enter the final round of the debate. The final speakers from both the teams will now give the concluding remarks to close the debate for their respective teams. From Team Proposition, let's welcome Isha.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Yishan, and I am the final speaker for the proposition team. I support the motion that children should have longer school holidays so that they can learn and experience balance from a young age. Currently, we witness huge populations of overworked, distressed, and emotionally broken adults. Why? Reason is they are more focused on running the rat race than seeking balance in life. To curb this, we could start striving for a balance from young. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ariel, and I am the final speaker to go against the motion of having longer school holidays for children. As said by my team members, the top reasons would be the start to longer to students learning and social skills due to longer school holidays. Next would be the stress of parents who have to follow their children holiday timetable, making sure children are safe and cared for. With this, I strongly agree that school holidays should not be longer and, if possible, should be removed. Thank you.
Thank you, Ariel. With this, we conclude this live debating session. Hope you have enjoyed watching it. We thank all our participants for having spoken very well and giving their best. And we look forward to more such enriching and exciting debates with our young and dynamic debaters. Thank you.